The Lamborghini Aventador replacement is delayed again until 2024, with the next Huracan coming a year later. The reason? Audi, the company that owns Lamborghini within VW Group, doesn't want to spend the money to update the Aventador's V12 engine to Europe's new emission standard. Instead, the German automaker would rather invest in hybrid V8 engines for both supercar models, which would mean Lamborghini's flagship supercar might not feature a V12 engine. There's a good chance a Porsche-developed 4.0-liter V8 set to arrive in 2024 could be the new mill for the two. Lamborghini is one of the few remaining supercar makers not to embrace some form of electrification. Porsche, Ferrari, McLaren have jumped on the electrified bandwagon, and it appears Lamborghini could be next. A report from earlier this year suggested the Italian company could electrify the Aventador's naturally aspirated V12 with 3 electric motors delivering at least 1100 horsepower from the plug-in hybrid system. The April report also noted the timeline for the Aventador's replacement had been pushed back from 2020 to 2022. If the Aventador's replacement is delayed until 2024, which is rumored to be based off the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio concept, it could mean the top-tier supercar would be on sale for well over a decade. Aventador production started in early 2011. However, while the company has found success with limited edition models, extending the Aventador's life for another 4 years could be difficult. The company may have to invest in a mid-cycle refresh to keep the Aventador and Huracan competitive, and that takes a lot of money.